Want to present your screen during a Zoom meeting? Whether you're showing a presentation, demonstrating software, or collaborating on a document, Zoom's screen sharing feature makes it easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share your screen on Zoom in 2026. So let's get started. First, join an existing Zoom meeting or start your own meeting. Screen sharing is only available while you're in an active meeting. If you're a participant, the host may need to allow screen sharing before you can use it. Next, locate the Share Screen button on the meeting toolbar and click it. This opens a window showing everything you can share. You'll see options for your entire screen, individual application windows, and other supported content. Choose the screen or application window you want to present. If you're sharing a video with sound, enable the option to share computer audio. You can also optimize the share for video if needed. Take a quick moment to make sure you've selected the correct window. Once you've selected what you'd like to present, click the Share button. Everyone in the meeting will immediately see the content you've chosen. Be sure to close any personal or confidential windows before sharing your screen. While sharing, you can pause your share, switch to another window, use annotation tools if available, or continue presenting normally. These controls are located on the floating toolbar at the top of your screen. When you're finished, click Stop Share on the toolbar. Your meeting will continue, but participants will no longer see your screen. So you've successfully shared your screen and returned to the regular meeting view. And that's how to share your screen on Zoom. Whether you're giving a presentation, teaching a class, or helping someone solve a problem, screen sharing makes collaboration much easier. Taking a quick look at what you're sharing before you click the button helps avoid showing anything unintended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.